Last week, the world assumed that AI chip producers like Nvidia would be dead in the water because of a new, super efficient large language model out of China. In just 30 seconds, Tom Lee completely destroys this narrative.
To me, it's an overreaction. I mean, Nvidia decline is the worst since March 2020, and we know that that ended up being a huge opportunity for investors. So, it's not a fun day, but I'd be looking at this as an opportunity. I'd be personally surprised if Nvidia became Betamax in the past week. I mean, that's really would be the kind of change that would be required to really justify selling Nvidia here. And given, I think, the need for AI because of global labor shortage and Nvidia chip dominance is still strong, unless a new model emerges that doesn't require GPUs entirely, I'd say that markets just generally do buyer ready aim. I do think markets tend to overreact, and again, unless we're on the cusp of a recession, this pullback in Nvidia is going to prove to be a buying opportunity as well.
These are the only three reasons that would justify Nvidia's price to drop. The first is a massive breakthrough in quantum AI or optical computing that will completely make GPUs obsolete. Experts say this is 5 to 10 years away minimum. Nvidia would appropriately lose value if hyperscalers reduce their chip purchases. Everyone was afraid that big tech would buy less chips because DeepSeek R1 was so efficient. But just this week, Meta and Google announced that they will actually be buying more chips than previously projected. AI dominance is mission critical for US tech companies. Capital expenditure on data center expansion is not going to slow down anytime soon. Large language models that can only process text are just the tip of the AI iceberg. We don't even have robo-taxis yet. Real-world AI will need to understand sights, sounds, and feelings all at the same time. The third reason Nvidia should drop is if a competitor somehow produced a superior AI chip. 90% of the AI chip market is locked in to the Nvidia CUDA ecosystem. These companies choose to be locked in because they are willing to pay for performance at any cost. Nvidia is the third largest company in the world and makes the highest performance AI hardware available to mankind. It has exponentially more resources and more talent to keep this track record going into the foreseeable future. There is simply no one who can compete with Nvidia's dominance. The DeepSeek pullback was a market overreaction that created a golden buying opportunity. Nvidia is solidifying itself as a dominant monopoly while the AI revolution is just heating up. All gas, no trash. See you in the next video.